Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? Bittorrent holder, in this video I will give you something very special and very important information about Bittorrent coin. But don't worry, if you are new to my channel, just only subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. My brother, in this time absolutely all currencies were very badly falls down, but my brothers, Bittorrent, as you can see here, in last 3 days, my friend, result is on the screen. So these last 3 days, my friend, has clearly told you, my friends, to this coin well fails down 0.98%. The price will decrease now, and my friend, this is just an only emergency. Other, my friends, I am very impressed, my friends, from this. But don't worry, my brothers, to win a coin where fails down, this does not mean to they are gone. I hope in upcoming days, my friends, they will give you a very good profit. They will make my friends, a life now. So here is, you can see here, my friends, a very good profit time. But please, this is very risky now. Absolutely, I will notify you, my friends, to Bittorrent is completely on the trending in this time. So if you are clearly want to invest in Bittorrent, I will give you, my friends, a guarantee, 100% guarantee, my friends, to they will make you millionaire now. So my brother, my prediction is totally going to be positive, but I cannot share this now, my friends, because everybody knows this, my friends, to when a coin war falls down, so definitely they want this now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video, and also please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.